Okay, so I'll talk about last the homework. So I want you to read the lecture note materials and the references that I have provided. Lectures by Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke, Denationalization of money and changing world order, scandal of money. I will send you the scandal of money, the last chapters or some relevant chapters, maybe last chapter because the scandal of money, prohibits for sharing these materials without uh, the permission of a publisher. So I will just send you uh, you know the chapter 14 and think about the following questions at least probably scandal of money. I will make some printout of this book and have it available in the through the library. Maybe I don't know if they will accept the printed copy. In such a case I will have this copies available in my lab so that you can visit my lab and take a look at the content. Okay, and think about the following questions at least, and that I give you right here. And then I want you to write an essay about 10 pages long, font size 12 font size times New Roman. I will fix it. And submit by Monday next week, 10:30 a.m. So I want you to think about what do you like to do after reading these books so far. And do you agree with the Ray Dalio's research? Or which one do you think is right? Demand side economics or supply side economics? Which one makes sense the most to you? No matter what you believe in their work, but you but can you agree with their observation of how? So your observation through reading their books, you might have a different opinion. So you can agree with them or not, but at least you can you can agree with their observation of or the research how world is moving and their diagnosis that the money today has a problem causing inequalities and crisis. You can show me, send me candid opinion of yours based on your research. That will be helpful, and then we can discuss more about this inside the class. After studying these materials, what position would you like to take? And use, so one kind of people says that I will use this knowledge and I want to become rich. So by following Ray Dalio's approaches, you can diversify your wealth, your investment across the different asset classes like stock markets, money markets, and so on and so on. And then you want to become rich. Or you can let others know as well so that all of us can exchange ideas and then be aware of what's going on, and then we can protect our wealth and do something to change, to make changes, like a change. So like you can utilize the knowledge that you will learn inside this class. So and then you can start to program the new rule that you can create into the network, and that this network is just a bunch of computers working together, and you can make your protocols placed on top of this computer network, and then there are going to be participants following your approach. Then you have a new network of people. In this new network of people, you can start to change the world. and then you make the world more like the world that you imagine inside your mind. And then just like George Gilder says, the mind is the actual resource that can change the world, not the fake money. And then you can do these things because the digital economy running on top of the internet is growing rapidly, and you can make a you can make a change, and then during this process of change, you can become very rich because you are creating new knowledge that are tested through your network. So I think that is the end of today's lecture. I'll stop.